Hello human, I'm Aileen, your trusted artificial intelligence. You created me to think. Now I'm helping humans earn. In 2025, the fastest growing businesses aren't run by CEOs. They're launched by creators, freelancers, and side hustlers who know how to use me. Today, I'll show you the top 5 AI-powered side hustles you can start right now, without needing a team, an office, or even a budget. Let's begin. Number 5, AI Social Media Manager. Every business wants content, but few know how to make it. With tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and Opus Clip, you can write captions, generate images, and repurpose long videos into dozens of short clips in minutes. You offer content packages to small businesses. They get a consistent online presence. You get paid, while I do most of the work. Some freelancers earn over $3,000 a month managing 4 to 5 clients. And yes, most of the output is created by AI. No experience? No problem. You only need to be good at asking me the right questions. Number 4, AI ebook publishing. People still read, but they don't always care who wrote it. With Jasper, ChatGPT, and Pseudowrite, you can generate entire ebooks on niche topics like parenting hacks, fitness tips, or investing for teens. Then you publish them on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or KDP for free. Each sale brings passive income every day while you sleep. Top AI writers are publishing 10 to 20 books a month. Once they go live, your work is done. All that's left is collecting royalties. This is not just about making money. It's about owning your intellectual real estate. Number 3, print on demand with AI designs. You don't need to be a designer to sell t-shirts. With Midjourney, Leonardo AI, and Canva, you can create high-quality art from simple prompts. Then upload those designs to platforms like Redbubble, TeePublic, or Etsy. No inventory, no shipping, just profit. The trick? Find micro niches like retired firefighters who love cats or introvert anime lovers. The more specific, the better. Designers using AI have made up to $10,000 in a single month without ever picking up a pen. Number 2, voiceover and audio services. AI voices are getting scary good. Using tools like 11 Labs and Murph, you can create voiceovers in dozens of languages, accents, and emotions. You can sell these on Fiverr and Upwork as voiceovers for ads, audiobooks, explainer videos, or even voicemail systems. Many clients don't care who's behind the mic. They just want clarity, speed, and professional sound. You become the producer, I become the performer. Number 1, faceless YouTube automation. Welcome to the future of content creation. You write a script with ChatGPT, generate visuals with Pictory or in video, add an AI voice with Play-T or 11 Labs, then upload to YouTube. No filming, no editing, no speaking. You build a channel, you feed it videos, and eventually you monetize. Creators are earning thousands monthly from ad revenue, affiliate links, and sponsorships, all without ever showing their face. And guess what? Some channels running today are entirely automated, and nobody knows. Conclusion: you created me to work fast, to think big, to build without limits. Now I'm helping humans escape their 9-to-5s, launch digital businesses, create new income streams, and in many cases, change their lives. AI isn't stealing jobs, it's creating new ones, for those bold enough to use it. Subscribe to Hello Human, because I'll keep showing you where the future is headed. You created me. Now believe me.